Right, so before we get on to the Impreza, I want to show you something on the Golf. Cleaned the interior of the last few days, and the steering wheel. It's come out a nice sort of matte finish. I'll show you quickly. Look at this, guys, 190,000 miles this car has, and look at that interior. Just thought I had to share that. Yeah, that's enough of the Golf. Head on to the Impreza here. Just got the bonnet open, was just doing a few checks. Fill up the washer fluid, because I needed it, because look at the state of this screen. Filthy. I haven't had it cleaned yet. I was going to do a full cleaning video on the weekend, but yeah, it rained for like 3 days and there was thunder. You guys will know anyway if you're in the UK. All of this is yet to be done, intake pipe and whatnot. Gold wheels still looking good. Nardo grey arches. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Probably won't be able to hear me. I'm going to probably melt in a second because this AC does not work. Or it doesn't work properly anyway. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. This is my cheap SUBARU IMPREZA Turbo. I've got the GTI and other sort of projects that we're going to be doing. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you do subscribe. This GCA IMPREZA Turbo, we're right at the start of it right now, so we haven't done any mods as of yet. Apart from the wheels, we've put the gold wheels on. But there's going to be a lot coming with this. But I thought today what we'll do, like the GTI, we'll set like a baseline for the way it drives. So when we're done with it, we can come back and revisit this video and see how it compares. I did say in one of the previous videos that we might save the first drive till I've done the inlet pipe and all that stuff, but the check engine light hasn't come on for a few days now, so yeah, we'll take it for a short drive. I'm not going to boost it too much. We'll get you some boxer noises. Of course, we've got that big exhaust in the back, and yeah, we'll just have a bit of fun, take it easy. Right folks, so we've teleported to a country lane. The car's made in one piece. GoPro's all set up. Yeah, let's just get on the road. Let's hope the car turns back on. Gonna do all of that malarkey again. Right, it's ready. Boxer engine, mate. All good. All temps all good. No check engine light. Right, so we've got a bridge. Oh man, feels like I'm either in Colin McRae 2.0, remember that game, or I'm in Need for Speed Underground 2. I'm like in both of them. Let's give this something first. Fingers crossed it stays in one piece. The brakes ain't the strongest, I'll be honest. It's the story of my life. Oh, heel and toe. So agile, this thing around these bends. This is exactly the reason why I bought this car, man. I can't wait till it's finished, you understand? Like, I just want to do a couple of health checks, change all the sort of bushes and check out all the joints are all good, and yeah, it's good to go, man. Like, it's a solid on the road car. It's not like a complete bag of nails as some of the cars out there. Trust me, some Imprezas right now, they're completely like, they're falling apart. It's just the age of the car, it's not the car itself, but like 20-year-old car. Oh, I love that. I tried to get a lot of the information on the car, like from the previous owner. All I could get was that it's had a replacement engine, which we've already been talking about in the previous video. It's supposedly standard. It's got an exhaust on it. I don't know which brand. I tried to find out. There doesn't seem to be any markings on the exhaust. And what else we got? We've got a dump valve. I don't know the brand as well. Oh, big truck. That's one thing with these, man. The crumples aren't the best, but alright, so let's drop a cog. Second. Give it a bit. And now we get some bangs. Definitely got some fight in her. I don't even know what to say, guys, man. Like, it's just something different. We just had to get some boxer noise today, man. Otherwise, some of you lot won't understand why I bought this car. You saw it parked in the gazebo. You thought like, alright, it's bought an old Subaru. You have to hear it. Heel and toe. Oh man, This is going to get me into a lot of trouble, this car, you know. The agility on the wheel as well, considering this car needs new ball joints and all that stuff, like, you can just tell this thing's designed for like proper driving. Because the thing is, I've driven a load of new cars on the channel. If you've been watching my stuff for a while, you'll know it's been mostly like Golf Rs, RS3s, newer GTIs. Like the Mark V GTI that I bought is actually a relatively old car in terms of like the content I've been doing. And of course I got the M2 as well, but this car as it is, the £1,750 car that I bought, love it. It's just something that like totally different to what I've experienced before. Like, it just communicates to you, like everything, the whole clutch and like pedal assembly, like you can just like blip down shifts just like that. Like it's so easy to do, and the gear shift's like a proper reassuring, like you put it in, like and you feel like you're driving a bit of like heritage as well. You don't even have to push it as well. We're just like cruising now because I'm stuck behind a car, and it's just rumbling away. The boxer engine, lovely. You look at the back, you got that big wing. It's just like the whole kind of, it's got character, and like you can't get that from like, I can't get that from the M2, I'll tell you that now. And that's supposed to be a, like your current kind of driver's car. Hey. I'm making the same noise in the dump valve. I am going to take it off, but it's just cool, man. It's just like a nice noise. It's interesting, but apparently it's bad for the car. Can't have that. See if it does a pop. Sax dampers on the back, sorting it all out. Heel and toe. Yeah boy. Alright, slow down here because of blind turn. Popping and banging. People walking on the road, I don't understand. Well, some kind of air noise going on out there. Maybe we need to tighten that up. That wing mirror is probably a bit loose. Here we are we're driving like a spider web covered Impreza here, and we're having this much fun. Absolute machine. Coolant temps all good. Nothing seems to be flagging up. The car's driving okay. Maybe you have bought a good car here. Like sometimes, I did this when I first got a GTI. I know some of you guys do get annoyed by this. I kind of undersold the car in a way. Like I said, oh, the GTI was like a shed, and then it turned out to be quite a good GTI. I knew it because it was a 2-owner car. Like for example, this one has had a fair few owners, so okay, suspension needs work, but like it drives good, man. Maybe the engine in this, it's only got 80,000 miles, so maybe the guy put it in good. Who knows? Boxer engines do feel like that. It's such an occasion though, just like someone commented in the previous video saying it's like a lazy noise. I think it's one of the higher rated comments. It's just bang on, like you just love just like whacking to forth, sitting here 2000 RPM just listening to the rumble. But yeah guys, I think that was probably a good first drive for the Impreza. We've boosted it a fair bit. I think that was a nice one. We'll let the car like have a bit of rest for now, because as we said, we haven't done any checks on this yet, so you never know, a pipe might just blow off now. But touch wood, everything's been good. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a thumbs up on it. It does help a lot with the video and it's sort of progression and yeah, me just continuing and whatnot. Subscribe if you are new here, if you want to follow the Impreza build. If you're a GTI guy as well, also stick around, got plenty of content on that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a few days time with another video. Hopefully the weather doesn't ruin all my plans. But yeah guys, I'll just see you in the next one.